Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Quiz about Allama Iqbal. Section 1. Life and Works. When was Allama Iqbal born? November 9, 1877, November 9, 1875, November 9, 1887, November 9, 1897. The true answer is November 9, 1877. What was Allama Iqbal's father's name? Noor Muhammad, Aziz Muhammad, Ghulam Muhammad, Sharif Muhammad. The true answer is Noor Muhammad. Which of the following book is not written by Allama Iqbal? Asrar-e-Khudi, Ramz-e-Bekhudi, Payam-e-Mashriq, The Wealth of Nation. The true answer is The Wealth of Nation. Section 2. Philosophy and Poetry. What is the central theme of Allama Iqbal's philosophy? Khudi, self-awareness, Bekhudi, selflessness, Islam and nationalism, Sufism and mysticism. The true answer is Khudi, self-awareness. Which poem is considered Allama Iqbal's magnum opus? Asrar-e-Khudi, Bang-e-Dara, Javed-Nama, Payam-e-Mashriq. Asrar-e-Khudi is the true answer. What is the name of Allama Iqbal's vision of the separate homeland for Muslims? Option A, Pakistan Movement. Option B, Muslim League. Option C, Two-Nation Theory. Option D, Iqbal's Dream. The true answer is Two-Nation Theory. Section 3. Legacy and Impact. Who was the influenced by Allama Iqbal ideas on Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Liaquat Ali. The true answer is A, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. What is the name of university established in 1978 in Islamabad in honor of Allama Iqbal? Quaid-e-Azam University, Allama Iqbal Open University, International Islamic University, Iqbal University. The true answer, Allama Iqbal Open University. Section 4. Early Life and Education. Where did Allama Iqbal complete his matriculation? Option A, Sialkot. Option B, Lahore. Option C, Amritsar. Option D, Delhi. The true answer is B, Lahore. Which university awarded Allama Iqbal BA degree in 1897? Option A, University of Punjab. B, Aligarh Muslim University. C, University of Cambridge. D, University of Oxford. The true answer A, University of the Punjab. Who was Allama Iqbal's mentor and teacher? Sir Thomas Arnold, Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali, Maulana Shibli Nomani, Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad. The true answer is B, Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali. Section 5. Literacy Works. What is the title of Allama Iqbal's first poetry collection? Asrar-e-Khudi, Bang-e-Dara, Javed-Nama. Taraqi Pasand Musannifin. The true answer
Which
is
poem
D,
by Allama
Taraqi
Iqbal
Pasand
is
Musannifin, considered a manifesto for the Muslims youth. Tarana Hindi, Tarana Mili, Khutbat-e-Iqbal, Shikwa. The true answer is B, Tarana Mili. What is the name of Allama Iqbal Persian poetry collection? Payam-e-Mashriq, Zabur-e-Ajam, Javed-Nama, Armaghan-e Hijaz. The true answer is A, Payam-e-Mashriq. Section 6. Philosophy and Ideas. What is the core concept of Allama Iqbal's philosophy? Option A, Khudi, self-awareness. B, Bekhudi, selflessness. C, Wahdatul Wajud. D, Tawheed. The true answer is A. Khudi, self-awareness. According to Allama Iqbal, what is the primary source of knowledge? Reason, revelation, intuition, experience. The true answer is B. Revelation. What is Allama Iqbal's vision for the ideal society? Islamic socialism, Islamic democracy, Islamic Khilafat, Islamic Republic. The true answer is D. Islamic Republic. Section 7. Influence and legacy. Who was influenced by Allama Iqbal's ideas on Pakistan? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Liaquat Ali Khan, Fatima Jinnah, all of the above. The true answer is D. All of the above. What is the name of the award given to outstanding literacy figure in Pakistan? Allama Iqbal Award, Quaid-e-Azam Award, Pakistan Literacy Award, National Literacy Award. The true answer is A. Allama Iqbal Award. In which city is the Allama Iqbal Museum located? Lahore, Karachi, Islamabad, Sialkot. The true answer is A. Lahore. Section 8. Poetry and Literature. What is the title of Allama Iqbal's Urdu poetry collection? Bange-Dara, Bale Jibril, Zarbe Kaleem, Armaghan Hijaz. The true answer is B. Bale Jibril. Which poem by Allama Iqbal is considered masterpiece of Urdu literature? Option A. Shikwa, B. Jawab-e-Shikwa, C. Khutbat-e-Iqbal, D. Tarane-e-Milli. The true answer is A. Shikwa. What is the name of Allama Iqbal's Persian prose work? Option A. The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam. Option B. The Development of Metaphysics in Persia. Option C. The Mysteries of Selfness. Option D. The Secrets of Self. The true option is A. The Reconstruction of Religious Thought in Islam. Section 9. Historical Context. In which year did Allama Iqbal deliver his famous Ala Ibad address? 1908, 1910, 1930, 1932. The true answer is C. 1930. What was the name of political party Allama Iqbal joined in 1920? Muslim League, Indian National Congress, All India Muslim Conference, Pakistan Movement. The true option is A. Muslim League. Who was Allama Iqbal's contemporary and fellow poet? Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali, Akbar Ala Abadi, Josh Mili Abadi. The true option is C. Akbar Ala Abadi. Let me know if you want more question, need answer explained, want to focus on specific topics, would like to try a different type of quiz, for example true false, fill in the blanks. Please write a comment in below section. Thanks for watching. डियर ऑडियंस, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक एंड शेयर करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। शुक्रिया। अल्लाह हाफिज़।